In this video, we'll show you what to do if the auto rotate feature is not working on your Android phone. So to fix this, first open the quick settings panel on your phone. Now here you should see this auto rotate toggle. If it's off, it should say portrait. Simply tap on it to enable auto rotation on your Android phone. If you can't find this toggle, simply tap on this pencil icon at the top and then select add a control. Now you can find the auto rotate toggle and add it in the quick settings panel. Once you have done that, simply tap on done to save changes. After that, enable auto rotation on your Android phone. You can also long press on it to enable auto rotation on home screen, lock screen and voice call screen. By default, auto rotation is disabled on all these screens, so make sure to enable them. Once you have done this, the auto rotate feature should work on your Android phone. There's also another way to enable auto rotate. So if you have disabled auto rotate from the quick settings panel, you can simply turn your phone sideways and you should see this tiny toggle in the bottom right corner. So as you can see, if I tap on it, it enables auto rotation. Now if I turn my phone into portrait mode, I see the toggle again and I can then tap on it to rotate the screen. So this is how you can rotate your screen without actually enabling auto rotate on your phone. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.